I'll give you an example to really make this make sense, because in Chinese, I know this is how it is, okay? I am is 我是, right? Am I right?
Yep.
我是, yeah, okay.
You're right. You're right.
And I know that 我们是 means that we are, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And then what was it? Now I like, or sorry, he is 他是, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now, because I know that I like is 我喜欢, right?
Mhm.
Now, my Chinese friend didn't have to tell me that he likes would be 他喜欢 or something like that. Is that true?
Yes.
Because do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean by logic, right? Because I understood that
So you're
他是,
exchanging the preposition and okay, understood.
I recognize a pattern that, okay, whenever I have ta, it means he or she, okay? And when I put 是 in front of 我是, when I put 会, 我喜欢, when I put 喜欢, it made it to like. So if I put 2 and 2 together, 他喜欢 would mean he likes, right? Or, okay, this is going to be a wild guess. I might be wrong because Chinese is a hard language. Does 我们喜欢 mean we like? Or
We
something
likes.
like that? Does it
Yep.
mean that? Oh my days. That was a complete guess. But do you see what I mean by logic, right?
That is true.